Hello guys, welcome to the channel PI with Peter. Today we'll be looking at new topic that is YTD, QTD, MTD in Tableau. What is YTD, QTD and MTD and how to calculate that same in Tableau. We'll be looking at that. So let's move on to the first on the data set. So I'll go on the sheet. We have been connected the orders sample superstore which has the order date. Similarly, like there are four order dates 17, 18, 19, 20, and we are having sales as well. Similarly, you can see the sales. Now we need to calculate the YTD. So before moving to that, I'll explain you what does a YTD means. YTD means year to date. So whenever you are calculating YTD year to date, always make sure that you are showing for the latest data year. Whatever the latest date or year you have in the data set you are using, you need to calculate that YTD till time whatever you have year to date, that values will be showing for the YTD. So now we have the latest as 2020, so we will be showing YTD as 2020. So to doing that, first we need to find what is the maximum date of your order date. So for that I am table scooping. So here this function is used for table scoop whenever you want to fix that data source level. So I'm writing max and then I'm pulling the order date. So now what I am doing, I am here table scooping to take the max value. Okay, once I have written this, I'll press OK. This will give you the max date, like probably 2022. See, when I'm dragging, this is giving you maximum. So now I need to write a condition for YTD of the current year sales. So what I will do, if your year of order date is equal to year of your max calculation, then we'll return the sales and end. I will wrap this in aggregation as sum because we want to show the sum value, right? So I'm wrapping in sum. So what I have done, I'm taking the sales who year has maximum year. Okay, so now I'll press OK. Once I press OK and I'll drag over here, so you can see that only with the latest year it is showing the sales. So we'll deep down more into the calculation how it is written. So probably we wrote if your year of order date is equal to year of max date, then only we are taking the sales. So here we are having year as 2017. Similarly, we have 18, we have 19, and we have 2022. The max as 2020. So this is not equal to this, right? So it will not go in this then calculation. So here it will fail. Similarly, it will go in second, that is 18 is equal to 20. No, this is also not true. So it will fail here, right? Similarly, it will go in 19. It will fail here as well as, right? Similarly, it will go in 2020 as it is equal to, and it will pass the test and then it will return the sales for that. So this is how we are calculating the YTD. I'll remove this all so that we'll just show the YTD. I'll write here YTD for the current I'll write here current dot YTD, yeah. And I'll label this somehow different way, making some bold value. So this is how you will be calculating the YTD. Okay. Similarly, there is one more concept where we need to calculate the MTD. Okay, we have calculated the YTD. Now we'll calculate the MTD as well as. So what does MTD means? MTD means month to date. So whatever you are having the latest month in the data, you will show that value. Okay, so similarly, when we are looking at the current 2020, we have the latest December year, right? December is the month. So probably if I'll go here and I'll pull the order date, max of order date, and then I will take the month and year. So it is showing you December 2020. So for that only you need to show the sales, right? So this is the overall sale anyway, which I am showing right now. You just need to show that only sale, right? So when I'll filter that month and year, December, it will show only that. So probably it is showing that only, right? So we need to compute this value over here beside this. So for that, we'll write the MTD calculation. First, we will make sure that we have the latest year, right? Because we need to have the latest year. Apart from this, we need to check that month is also the latest. So month is a function which will return the month from the order date 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That should be equal to your month of max order date. Then I'll return the sales. I'll enclose again this or wrap this in the aggregation sum. Once I have done this, I'll pull this over here. So now we are showing the MTD as well as QTD, right? So let me take here the measure values. Color this in black. So here you can see that whatever is being shown, we are showing. I'll remove this as of now, as we don't want to show this. We'll only keep this. This is your YTD and this is your MTD. Now we need to calculate the QTD, right? Whatever the QTD is there, we need to calculate that. How we'll calculate the QTD? The QTD is nothing but current quarter, right? Whatever you are having the current quarter. What does a quarter mean? Suppose in a year there are 4 quarters. Like quarter 1 will have Jan, Feb, March. Quarter 2 will have April, May and June. Similarly, quarter 3 will have July, August, September. And quarter 4 will have October, November and December. Right? So now we need to find the sale of October, November, December. So we'll write here if date trunk of quarter of your order date is equal to date trunk of your quarter of your max date, then we'll return the sales and we'll end it, right? Here we'll write the sum. Okay, so I'll press OK and I will drag here. So now we are getting the quarter to date as well as month till date, right? So probably we'll check the value. I'll go here, I'll drag the order date. From here we'll go in the quarter. Similarly we'll take as discrete. So now here in quarter 4 you can see 2,80,054. So similarly 2,80,054. So this is how you can calculate QTD, YTD, MTD. Okay, whatever you want to. You can also rename this as YTD. You can rename this as MTD. Similarly, you can rename this as QTD, right? Now what I'll do, I'll go in format and I'll make this bit more formatting, like keeping 12 bold, and make this how somehow, and I'll give the shading. Similarly, you can add the grid line as well as. So how we'll add the grid lines? We'll go here in the format. From format here, and add the grid lines, making it a bit thicker, not that much. So let's do one thing. Rather than adding grid line, we'll go in the row divider and row column only. So we'll add a little bit at this pen level. So we get that at every pen. Sorry. So this is how we can show QTD, MTD, and YTD, and this will be dynamic, very much dynamic. Whenever the new data is coming, it will show the QTD, MTD, and MTD and QTD accordingly. So probably first we'll show YTD, then we'll show QTD, and then we'll show the MTD. I'll get rid of the tooltip as that don't make any sense over here. So we'll get that. Okay. So this is how we can show YTD, QTD, and MTD for the given data set. Thank you guys.